So this is the sum. Differentiate x cube with respect to x square. We are not saying with respect to x. Differentiating x cube with respect to x will be 3x square, that's you know. But here we are differentiating x cube with respect to x square. This is another form of function of functions. So what we do, we take both as a different function. So let u will be one of the functions and v will be another function. And now differentiate both with respect to x. So du by dx, because both are functions of x. Right? So what I did, I took both the functions as two different variables. Both are functions of x. So we differentiated with respect to x. Question says what? Differentiate x cube with respect to x square means differentiate u with respect to v. So when we differentiate u with respect to v, we get du by dv. So we have to find du by dv. So this is du by dx into dx by dv. So du by dx is 3x square and this is 2x. So that's again very simple, but just a little part of it. I just go on to another one. Now again, differentiating sin x with respect to cot x. So we again take two variables. So let u is sin x and v is cot x. So we are differentiating u with respect to v. So we have to get du by dv. But u is a function of x, v is also a function of x. So we get du by dx, that is cos x, dv by dx is minus cos x square x. So du by dv, which we have to get, is du by dx into dx by dv. So that is cos x into minus 1 by cos x square x. One by cos x is sine. So I change it. Even if you don't change it, makes no difference. So these are the sums which you have to perform. I just give you a few sums to you, right? So these are the three same type. Look at the last one. When you take this as u, u is of the form u by v, numerator denominator. So you have to apply that formula. The rest is okay. Come to this. So these are the few sums for you to do yourself. I am doing one or two more. See, there is a sum y is equal to sine inverse x. The same sum, I have changed it to cos inverse x. So what you do? You will write e to the power u, where u is cos inverse x. So y is a function of u. You get dy by du. Differentiation of e to the power u remains e to the power u. U is a function of x. So you differentiate u with respect to x. So dy by dx. Just a minute. U is cos inverse x. So this is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So those you can do like that. Now look at this. This is sum of 2. So differentiation of the 2. So differentiation of sine of Ex is cos of Ex. Ex will remain e to the power x. So that's it. Cos of log x, again if you put log x as u, or else cos of log x is minus sine of log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So it will be minus 1 by x log cos of log x. So similarly this. Now this one I just give you a hint. Before you differentiate, otherwise u will be again numerator denominator. It is log m by n. So you can write log m minus log n, and it will be sum of 2 terms. Is it okay? So I repeat here, before you differentiate, you break it into the form log m minus log n, and then continue doing it. All right? So do all these sums. I'll go into this further. Thank you.